Hi, it's Mark from Custom Cruisers. Here we are, got a beautiful front fender. Okay, this is your FXR or Sportster models, all pre-drilled especially for those bikes, and as you can see, rolled edge. This isn't just your cheapo guard, proper chrome plated bolted on bracket. You can easily mask off to paint this, but as you can see, well made, properly riveted, all rolled edges on the mudguard. Okay, so this gives it a lot more strength, and as you can see, even the front is done the same. So if you want a good quality mudguard, give us a call. 01773 835 666. Alternatively, customcruisers.com. We do a matching rear for the FXRs or Sportsters. You know, we even do a ducktail conversion for the FXRs. If you're interested in any gear like this, or gas tanks, do a 5-gallon FXR tank, big 5-gallon Sportster tanks as well, give us a call. 01773 835 666. Alternatively, customcruisers.com or the new site customcruisers.eu. Thank you.